friends, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I am a local real estate professional in North and South Carolina. Today we are touring a community built by Classica Home in Huntersville, North Carolina. We're going to be touring this beautiful model here behind us called the Coronada. This is about like a 3,200 square feet. This is comfortably in that $700,000 price range. But please keep in mind that prices are due to change due to demand, in the Charlotte metro area and due to the growth that we are experiencing here. More information about this home can be found in the description bar below, or you can simply reach out to me. My email address is victoriabao@costello.rei. But before we even begin this tour, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification so you never miss a weekly video from us. Let's check out this home together. Hello there. Okay, so we walk in and we are greeted here to our right by our guest suite. I think this is probably one of my favorite guest suite on this channel, in that the way, it kind of has this ensuite bathroom set up. It almost feels like a master, but nope, it's the guest suite. So I absolutely really like that. And this other half here, you have your shower and your toilet here. And of course you have your closet here as well. And then we have our half bathroom or powder bathroom here. So that's great for guests, so they don't have to enter into the guest suite. And we transition over here. So I love this little flex space area here, because as you see here, this has been shown to be an office space. I would probably keep it as well as an office because of the partial enclosure here. I would probably add in some French doors to make it a little bit more private, for an office. And then we're gonna go over here to our dining space area. I love the idea of circular table here. It gives the space a different look and a different feel here. And I love those three little cutouts right there as well. And I'm gonna move you guys over here to the living space. This living space is actually a very, very spacious living space. In the summertime, it would be perfect, right? To kind of like include the sliding doors that open all the way up to allow a lot more breeze and fresh air to come in here. And we're gonna move over here to the kitchen. I don't know what it is. I really love these color cabinets here. Personally, I think I would love my kitchen to have this color cabinets here. And I love this kitchen island here. Just the choice of everything, it really just flows and it's beautiful. I like all the excessive cabinets here in this area. And of course, right over here, we have our laundry room. So the garage actually comes straight into the laundry room here. And so it comes straight into the laundry room and straight into the kitchen here. So there's the owner's suite down here. Why don't we check it out together? So one thing I do like about Classica is the private owner's room. So you can see here, there is no bathrooms, there are no closet here. This is just a room. And I love that cutout area. This is exactly what I would do there. I would put in a couch there. Let's check out the bathroom and the closet here. So we come into the bathroom. We have our double vanity sink. We have our water closet or enclosed toilet. We have our linen closet here. Nice size. We have our walk-in shower as seen here. And then we move over here to the walk-in closet. Very, very spacious closet as well. Why don't I take you guys upstairs now to go look at what we have upstairs. So the moment we walk up, we come up here to this very, very spacious loft area. I believe you can enclose this to make it another bedroom. I mean, I would. This would be a huge bedroom. You can possibly enclose it here and still have a bit of a loft here. And we have our walk-in storage space here. And we have 2 other bedrooms here. We're gonna start to my left, which is the hallway bathroom. So you have your toilet, shower, sink combo here with an entry right here to this bedroom, which we are about to check out. So this bedroom has been set up with 2 twin beds. Very nice closet in there. And then we have this other space, which has kind of been set up for an office as well. If you needed a home with a secondary office, this would be the perfect choice for you, as you can see here. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite thing about this home. More information about this home can be found in the description bar below. This is in Huntersville, North Carolina. The builder here is Classica Homes. Be sure to send me an email, hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.